Hi everyone, welcome to Cybernova. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to gather personal information from various social networking sites using a tool called Sherlock. Sherlock is a Python-based tool that can search for a target person's profile on hundreds of social sites and give you the URLs related to them. This can help you find out more about your target's interest, activities, contacts, and other sensitive information that can be useful for your hacking objectives. To use Sherlock, you need to have a Kali virtual machine installed on your computer. To use Sherlock, you can simply launch a terminal and then type Sherlock-H, which will display various help options. Go through those. For this demonstration, I am going to simply search and gather personal information about Bill Gates. So I am going to type Sherlock space Bill Gates and then press enter. The tool will start searching for Bill Gates' profile on various social sites and display the results on the terminal window. You can see the name of the site, the username, and then the URL related to the target person. You can scroll down to see all the results. You might also see some error messages in between, but you can ignore them. As you can see, Sherlock has found Bill Gates' profile from 135 different sites. Output results will change time to time, depends on your internet speed. At first, I was able to acquire 174 results. By the time I was recording, I got 135 as my network speed isn't that stable. The output of Sherlock will be saved as a text file in your home directory. You can use these URLs to visit the target person's profile and gather more information about them. For example, you can find out their date of birth, their employment status and history, their organization, its business strategy, their potential clients, and upcoming projects, and so on. You can run Sherlock from your mobile as well with the help of NetHunter. If you want to know how to install NetHunter on your device, make sure to check the video from the I button. As you can see, when I run Sherlock scripts on mobile, I got even less results. So try to run this tool with a good internet connection. Sherlock is a very powerful tool that can help you gather a lot of personal information from various social networking sites. However, it is not the only tool that can do this. There are other tools that can help you find more information related to your target person or company. Some of them are Social Searcher, User Recon, and so on. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more hacking tutorials.